Hi guys, this is a tutorial of how to create your SheshaMobile project. That's using React Native. Oh, first things first that you need to know is that you need to have your laptop set up for it to run a React Native application, right? You can just go online and check how to set up a React Native project using CLI. Then from there on you should be good to go. Once that's set up, all you need to do is just open up your terminal if you're using a MacBook, and then just write this command, npx SheshaMobile -create, right? Just go back. Oh, sorry, I need to change my nvm version. Nvm use 20. I'm just gonna clear to remove everything above. Cool. Let's go again. npx SheshaMobile -create. Cool. So yeah, okay, yeah, I wanna continue that. I wanna proceed. Yes. Okay, right now it's downloading. It's getting access to the template that's hosted. Okay, first of all, you need to specify the display name of your app, like your app name, right? I'm just gonna go testing 03 or whatever that you want your app to be. Continue. Now your bundle ID or application ID, usually it takes this format of com.example.myapp, right? So we're just gonna go for example here we're just gonna put in Boxfusion because it's a Boxfusion application, then the name of the app, testing 03. Click on continue. Here the base URL is the URL of the backend that you'll be pointing to, right? For now I'm gonna be pointing to Lisedi because this one is live. Okay, I'm just gonna paste this guy here, and then for Google Maps keys and so forth, these are currently optional because these are kind of secrets, right? We can't just have them out in the open, but if you need them, please reach out to myself, Tendai, or Francis. We will assist. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip these guys. Okay, then we have the npm registry. So this is basically an authentication step, right? You need to be authenticated to have access to our SheshaMobile npm packages, namely components, core, and designer. So you need to enter this information, and then so that when you go yarn install or so forth, it will be able to download those Boxfusion specific npm packages. But I'll have a separate video explaining that approach. Okay, for now we're just going to go Boxfusion. Yes, it's always Boxfusion as the username. Continue. Then this token you generated from DevOps, also using your credentials, but I'll also have another separate video showing you how to do that. Right now I do have an existing one, so I'm just gonna copy this guy. Just make sure that the token isn't expired, because otherwise you won't be able to download our packages. Okay, click on continue. Here now you enter your Boxfusion email, the IO one, at boxfusion.io. Click on enter. This step, this is where now you specify where your Android SDK is, like the directory. But this step is optional. If maybe once you start running your application complaints about not finding your SDKs, please reach out to us, and then we will show you how to specify it on the project. But for now you should be good. Continue. So cool. Now we're done creating the template for SheshaMobile, and it's here. It's on this path on my side. Obviously yours is going to be slightly different. Okay, now the next steps to follow are these ones. So you firstly start by going cd testing 03. We're navigating into the into the folder of the project. In order for you to see how it looks, you can just go code dot, right? What it'll do, it'll open this thing using Visual Studio Code, and here is your project. If you remember, we did say the name of the app, it's testing 03. There you have it. Then it doesn't have a lot. because most of the things are configurable, right, from our own admin portal. So this is how it looks, the structure of the app. So it's that and that and that. Obviously screens, if you want to create custom screens, you can simply just come into this guy and create them from there. And then we have this npm.rc file. This is usually needed for MacBook guys. So you need to specify that information which I was speaking of. You see here, we did say that the username is Boxfusion, and then the token which I pasted is this one, and so forth, and also the email address. This will give us access to the registry for SheshaMobile npm packages. Okay, cool. Now let's go. Okay, actually we can continue from here. Let me just clear. Just give me a sec. Let me close this guy. Okay, so I'm just gonna clear here, right? Just go clean, and then on my side I need to be using the latest what do you call, node version. Okay, cool. Let's go back to our terminal. Come on, let me just close this guy. Come on, terminal. Okay, cool. From the steps, it said that first of all you need to cd into the folder that you created, then you run yarn, right? Since we already inside here, we're just gonna go yarn. What this thing will do is it will download all the packages that it needs. You see here it is downloading things like SheshaMobile components. These are SheshaMobile specific npm packages, right? It will download everything that it needs. All this information is stored under packages here. All these guys here, it's busy trying to install them as you get npm packages. Okay, you go back. Okay, cool. Now it's done. Okay, now let's see what the next instruction was. It said yarn. For now I'm just gonna run Android, because Android is super quick. For iOS I'll need to be installing pods, and these sometimes take a bit of time, so we're just gonna skip the iOS part and we just go for yarn Android. Cool. So just gonna scroll down and just go yarn, then Android, then click on enter. What this will do, if you have set up your environment quite well, what it will do is it will launch a simulator for you and then open up the app. Actually, there's a step that I forgot. We need to start our metro. Yeah, we need to start our metro, but it's fine. Let's just wait for this thing to finish. Let's give it a few seconds. Obviously on your side you can fast forward a bit up until this thing finishes installing, right? But yeah, it doesn't really take that long. Okay, come on. Okay, I already have my simulator open. Let me just close off this guy. Close off everything. Nope, I was just playing around with React Native here. Okay, cool. Let's wait for it so that you can see it launching. Almost there. It's installing build. Okay, cool. So you see, as I was saying, I've missed the step to start the metro. So all I need to do is just go yarn start, right? Then all now you have to do is just click on reload from your simulator. Okay, then there you are. You have successfully created your SheshaMobile app. Now there will be follow-up videos as to what you do from here, but it's quite simple. All you need to do is just enter the email, the username, email, and password, and then you just sign in, then you start configuring. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching the video. So I'm just gonna stop the recording for now. Come on, shift 5, then